Today we're making coconut crusted chicken fillets with home fries.
So it's just cleaning up the floor.
Alright, so this is what we like to call chicken fingers for grown-ups. So, at the grocery store you can buy chicken tenders. They are a portion of the chicken breast, and they're already cut into little strips, just like chicken tenders would be. And then we have our production line. So first we're going to dip them in flour. This has some seasoning in it. Then egg, and then we have panko breadcrumbs mixed with unsweetened coconut.
So put in about maybe a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. You can get these from your local grocery store. And then probably about the same half a cup or so of unsweetened coconut shavings. Depends on how many chicken tenders you're making. Mix it up. Then add in some paprika and a little bit of cayenne pepper. That's bowl number 1. Now bowl number 2, about a quarter cup of flour. And then grind in some pepper. And a little bit of salt. You don't need to use pink Himalayan salt, that's just what we happen to have. And then add a little bit more cayenne pepper and paprika to this. And a bit of oregano. Some good flavor, mix that up. Alright, that's it for bowl number 2. Bowl number 3, just a couple of eggs. And we'll whisk those. And that's it. These are ready to start dipping the chicken in. We're going to make some home fries with our potatoes here. Cut them up and we'll make some crispy fries with them.
So now we've got some potatoes chopped up for baked home fries. We're going to season them. We need some olive oil, some salt, some paprika, and a little bit of cayenne. And then we mix.
And you've preheated the oven, right, to 400?
Alright, so let's get these ready to go in the oven. Spread them into an even layer on the pan, about 1 fry thick, so that they cook evenly and hopefully get a little bit crispy.
And how long do we cook these for?
Anywhere from half an hour to an hour.
Anywhere from half an hour to an hour? Till they are crispy
soft
on the outside and soft on the inside?
You prick them with a fork and the fork goes through, they're done.
Okay. So now we're going to get the chicken ready.
Into the flour. Into the egg. Into the breadcrumbs and coconut. Number 1. Done. So we're going to bake these at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes till they get nice and crispy and cooked through.
They're looking nice and crispy. Just flipping them to get them a little bit more crispy on the other sides.
Alright, so the fries cooked for about 40 minutes at 400 degrees and the chicken tenders for about 15 minutes plus an extra 2 minutes under the broiler just to crisp up the top. Everything's looking pretty good.
Yeah, looks nice and crispy. Looks delicious. You can't have chicken tenders without plum sauce, and you can't have home fries without ketchup. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to enjoy this. So until next time, thanks for watching.